Welcome to our guide on how to generate a 1099 eligibility report for vendors in Docyt. Form 1099 NEC is used by businesses to report payments made to independent contractors, freelancers, sole proprietors, and self-employed individuals to the IRS. In order to generate these forms, business owners need to compile a list of vendors who received NEC payments throughout the chosen tax year. With Docyt, it's a breeze to generate CSV report for the non-employee compensation received by vendors in any specific year. Here's how the process works. Start by logging into your Docyt account. To access the Vendors section, start by clicking on the Expense Management drop-down menu. From there, select the Vendors option and then choose My Vendors from the drop-down list. To track vendors for generating a 1099 report for non-employee compensation, simply click on the checkbox in front of the vendors that need to be tracked. This will enable the blue Bulk Actions button. Click on the button and select Track to generate 1099. You can also track a vendor for 1099 report generation by clicking on the ellipsis menu in the row of that vendor and selecting Track Vendor to generate 1099. To include W-9 information for vendors eligible for NEC, go to the My Vendors list and click on a particular vendor name. Then navigate to the W-9 Info tab of that vendor. Upload the vendor's completed W-9 PDF form for documentation by clicking on the Select from your computer link. Finally, click on Add Information to add W-9 details of that vendor. By adding W-9 information, the 1099 eligibility report generated by Docyt will automatically populate with the data provided in the W-9 form. To access the list of vendors being tracked for 1099 report generation in Docyt, go to the 1099 Reports menu option located on the left side of the screen. Here, you will find a comprehensive list of vendors along with their total payment amounts received through bank transactions, ACH transfers, and checks for the selected tax year. To export this data, simply click on the Data Export button. Once you click on the Data Export button, a CSV file named Eligibility 1099 Reports CSV will be downloaded to your computer. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to generate a 1099 eligibility report for vendors in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.